In this phase, we're going to work on the glass wall. Let us take a look what the glass wall looks like. So the instructions looks like this. We have the glass wall on the south facade, south side. So as we look at the glass wall instruction, we recall something of this effect. Alrighty. That means that we need to go from this very edge to the center of the stud wall. 3 feet 2 plus 2 is 3 feet 4 inches on both sides. And then we have equal after that. 3 feet 4, 3 feet 4, equal. Let's see if we can do this using Revit. Alright. So I'm going to zoom a lot closer if I can. Use your middle scroller. Hit escape if you accidentally get into the function. So this is my center line here, and I'm going to just move myself a little bit here. Here is my center line over here. Okay. So what I like to go is offset 3 feet 4. 3 feet 4. 3 feet 4. Hit enter, and I click on this side. 3 feet 4, click on this side. I've got the 2 center lines. I like to shorten these lines so they appear to be like center lines. So I'm going to yank them by bringing them this far. So I've got the 2 centers. I'm going to unjoin the elements. It wants to connect itself with something else. I don't. Here is the center line here to there. Now, from here to here, I want 3 equal spaces. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3 equal spaces. How do I do it using Revit? Here's how I do it. So I'm just going to copy. So I hit copy. I'm copying this line from this junction, somewhere here, as long as it's horizontally placed, somewhere here. They're not necessarily equal. So this is not equal to this, so this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure. So I'm going to go annotate a line from here to here to here to here. Indeed, they're not equal. But I want them to be equal. You see this sign that says equal? I click it, it becomes equal. I do it all over again. I'm going to take this line, copy it from here to here to here. Clearly not equal. 1, 2, 3. I even moved this guy down, but it still is parallel. So now a line from here to here to here to here. Pull it back. Click on the equal. That moves it. So they are now indeed equal. Now I'm just going to erase the equal line. I still have it. It says don't change that. So unconstrained. So I'm not moving the lines back to where they were. Now I'm going to measure the distance from here to here to this line, this line, this line, here, and here. One more, there, and pull it down. Now they look like they're all over, but let's double check. Let's take this guy, pull it out. This funky number, pull it out. This funky number, but it looks the same. Funky number. Looks the same. And now I'm going to pull the 8-inch ones out. 3, 4. I'm going to pull the 8-inch one. Oops. Now see it's right down here. Out. 3 feet 4. That's exactly what I had. So I'm going to double check what I had. There we go. Oops. This is what I have, and that's exactly. I look and I go, wait a minute, something looks a little bit off. And it has to do with rounding. 11/32 versus 5/16. That has to do with rounding, but the rest of it is pretty accurate. So I went 8 inches, 3 feet 4. These were equal. This is as accurate as I can get it. based on how Revit rounds it. Well, let's go for the next session.